In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Zendesk Help Center to make it not only functional, but also a true representation of your brand. Customizing your Help Center can significantly enhance the way customers interact with your support platform, providing a smoother, more personalized experience. Let's begin by accessing the theme customization options in Zendesk. First, navigate to the Knowledge section. Once there, head over to Knowledge Admin, and then select Theme. Here, you'll be presented with a list of your active themes. What you want to do next is find the theme you wish to edit and click on Customize. This is your stepping stone to all the modifications you'll be applying, allowing you to tailor your Help Center to your specific needs. Now, let's explore the non-coding customization options available. These are accessible through the branding panel and are perfect for those who want to make impactful changes without diving into complex code. In the Settings panel, you'll find a variety of opportunities to set your Help Center apart. You might want to start by renaming your Help Center to reflect your brand's unique identity. For instance, instead of the typical Help Center, you could call it something like Solution Center to resonate more with your audience. Next, take advantage of the option to upload your logo and favicon. These visual elements are crucial as they immediately communicate your brand's identity to your users. Ensuring your logo is prominently displayed not only makes your Help Center look professional, but also helps in instilling trust. You'll also have the opportunity to select your brand colors. Choose colors that align with your brand palette to maintain a consistent look and feel across all your platforms. Remember, consistency is key to brand recognition and user familiarity. Additionally, you can choose fonts that match your brand's tone. Whether you're going for something modern and clean, or more traditional and classic. Icons, too, can be adjusted to better reflect your brand's style and make navigation intuitive for your users. Updating the hero image can have a profound impact, as it is one of the first things users see when they visit your Help Center. Select an image that captures the essence of your brand and tells a story on its own. Pair this with a well-considered homepage layout that presents information logically and helps users find what they're searching for quickly and efficiently. Finally, make sure you update your social media links. This not only provides customers with more ways to reach you, but also keeps all your online presences connected. Ensuring those links are active and relevant encourages users to engage with your brand across different platforms. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a Zendesk Help Center that's not only visually appealing, but also a powerful reflection of your brand's identity and commitment to customer service. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.